Guys, meron tayo isang A-lister na phone. And what I'm talking about is the Oppo A94. So tara, review muna natin tong Oppo A94. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. Hawak natin right now is a A-lister, which is the Oppo A94. Ang sabi ko sa inyo guys, this is a very nice looking phone. Very lightweight, no? So, kaya natin i-hold ng dalawang daliri as well as isang daliri. Yan. See? O ha? And really nice ang kanyang kanyang color purple na design. I'm really a fan of purple and it's called the Fantastic Purple. Meron din siya isa pang color, tinatawag nilang the Fluid Black. This phone comes with a MediaTek Helio P95. It's also a 12nm chip together with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Really nice ang kanyang processor, and silipin muna natin ang kanyang ang kanyang score sa AnTuTu benchmark. And makikita natin, no, it has 174,000 points dito sa AnTuTu, 147,000 points naman dito sa iTuTu, 1,280 ang kanyang score dito sa Slingshot Extreme, Wideband Level 1 Security sa DRM Info. Pag swipe natin left and right, it's very smooth, though. And this phone has a 6.43 AMOLED display. Ang kanyang max brightness is 800 nits together with a 1080p display. So, tinignan ko naman siya under the bright sunlight. Ang ganyan, matingkad pa naman ganyan display. Wala naman naging problem dito sa phone na ito. So, watching some videos using this phone is definitely very enjoyable kasi ang ganda ng ganyan display, matingkad. And also, what I'm missing on this phone probably is a stereo speaker. Kasi mas maganda talaga ang sounds, ang output ng sounds when you have a dual stereo speaker. Iba ang sounds. Pero good enough na to, pero could have been better. Yun ang masasabi ko sa inyo guys. Pansinin muna natin ang camera nitong phone na ito. It has a quad camera setup, 48MP na aperture 1.7 ang kanyang main lens, 8MP ultra wide lens, 2MP macro lens, 2MP depth sensor na itong phone na ito can record up to 4K 30fps na video, and up front magandang kanyang selfie camera. It's a 32MP selfie cam. Tara, silipin muna natin ang mga photos from this phone. So guys, nakita na natin mga photos dito sa phone na ito. It's very, very nice. Matingkad, very bright, very crisp. Walang masabi. Talagang maganda ang phone, ng performance ng phone na ito, no? Sa outdoor, sa indoor, wala ako kaproblema. It was easy to focus. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang camera. Then sa kanyang selfie camera naman, masasabi ko, it also takes in some nice photos. Pero there are times na nagiging overexposed siya dahil sa sobrang liwanag ng sikat ng araw. And of course, other than that, maganda nga ng front camera, 32MP. Now, checking some videos dito sa phone na ito, masasabi ko sa inyo, the rear camera is really taking in good video. Very stable siya, smooth, and very, very punchy ang mga colors na nakaka-capture dito sa kanyang rear camera. As well as the front camera. Maganda rin kanyang mga output, except that pag nag-a-adjust sa lightings, no, medyo nahihirapan siya. Lalo na pag maliwanag ang araw, ayan, nahihirapan na siya mag-focus. So guys, try muna natin maglaro dito sa phone na ito. Pasok muna tayo sa game space and makikita natin ang ilang statistics dito, no? So, CPU performance, remaining power, GPU performance, no? Plus yung signal strength natin. Everything's here sa, sa dashboard ng game space. So, meron tayong mga floating bars dito, no? Na magagamit natin, which might come in handy pag naglalaro ka na inside the game. So, it's used to take some screenshots, some screen recording, and of course, giving you a more immersive experience while you play the game. So, lalaroin muna natin right now is Mobile Legend. So, this game, I can say, okay, nice and very, very smooth ang kanyang graphics, no? I was surprised with this phone, no? It's MediaTek Helio P95. Pero dahil dito sa game space, it was able to squeeze out more sa kanyang processor, giving you a more better experience dito sa game na ito. Smooth ang kanyang gameplay. I was able to enjoy the Mobile Legend together with yung sounds niya, okay lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakasan. But I was able to plug in my favorite headphone. So, mas nag-enjoy ako dahil maganda ang aking sound sa aking headphone. Overall, ang gameplay dito sa Mobile Legends, it's very, very enjoyable. Then, right now, port over tayo sa Call of Duty. Masasabi ko siya, this game na ito, I really enjoyed it a lot. Though, there are times na merong kunting frame drops, hindi natin maiwasan, syempre. Masasabi ko siya, guys, very responsive ka ng screen. I was able to play more than an hour dito sa phone na ito on Call of Duty dahil ang gaan ng phone niya. It's so light. Sarap hawakan, especially yung gameplay. Kasi kung masyadong mabigat na yung phone, medyo nakakangawit. So, hindi ka tumatagal. But this one is definitely very light. So, masarap siyang hawakan habang naglalaro. So, itong phone na ito has a 4,310 mAh of battery supporting up to 30 watts of fast charge. Dinrain ko siya down to 18%. Then, kinarga ko pabalik all the way to 100 using the default cable and the default charger. Dito sa phone na ito, galing sa box niya. And guess what, guys? 50 minutes natapos na aking charging time na full tank na itong phone na ito. And checking out PC Mark battery stress test, 12 hours and 20 minutes. Not bad. Medyo malit ang kanyang battery pero ganun katagal ang kaya na i-endure. So guys, ano masasabi nyo dito sa Oppo A94? First of all, masasabi ko siya, it's very light. Ang ganda ng kanyang colorway. Lalo na itong fantastic purple na probably favorite ko, no, na color dito sa series na ito. And kanyang gameplay dito sa phone na ito is nice, as well as yung camera niya is definitely good. And this phone right now retails for 13,990. Check it out. I'll post the link below kung saan yung mabibili itong phone na ito, ang Oppo A94. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga future videos ko dito sa aking channel. And reminder guys, ongoing pa rin aking road to 100k subscriber na massive giveaway. Malay nyo manalo kayo ng 1 out of 3 premium phones courtesy of my sponsors. So I'll see you on the next one.